Hey guys, and welcome to Miracle Math. We recently learned about basic addition, but today we're getting into slightly more complex addition with bigger numbers that you might not be able to do the basic methods that I taught you in the first video. But first, before we go into our more complex method, we're going to do a little bit of review. In the last addition video, we learned that if we had a problem such as 2 plus 4 equals, we don't know what 2 plus 4 equals, we could do something like, have 2 apples, then I get 1, 2, 3, 4 more apples, and then what we would do is we would count up the apples of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples. So we know that 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now, the other way to do that was the number line. Now, I'm not going to show it to you because for the sake of time, and we're just going to move on to the next thing. If you really want to do the number line thing, you can go watch the basic addition video. I'll have that linked in the description of this video. But so, you take a long time to do this if your problem was like 13. Ooh, that's an ugly 13. Let me do that again. If the problem was like, okay, why does it keep doing that? If the problem was something like 13 plus 19, I mean, you don't want to draw out 13 apples and then draw 19 more apples. Like, that would take a really long time. So, the way to do this is you just need to memorize the things from 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2. You just need to memorize the ones of 1 through 9. So if, memorize a little bit of addition. As you get better at addition, you'll see what I mean. But the other way to write, just a second. Okay, there, sorry. To write this is 13 plus 19. Just like that. See, that underline too is like the equal sign. Here, just a second. I'll show you. So equals, that's equals, and the plus is right there, just like that. So that is 13 plus 19. That is the way you would write that out. Now, the way you would want to, and I'm going to color a lot of lines on this. To do this is you add up these right here, which is 9 plus 3. What is 9 plus 3? Well, you could draw it out if you still don't know this one. But if you do know this one, if you have this one memorized right now, you'll know that 9 plus 3 equals 12. So 9 plus 3 is 12. Now, as you can see, this is above 10. So, and I should have done this in a different order, but bear with me here. If the number you get when you add this farthest to the right column of digits, if it's more than 10, you write the farthest right. So this digit, which a digit is a number in a bigger number, basically. We'll talk more about that another time. So that number, the 2, you write that down here. And then this number, the 1, goes right up here. So we have another 1. So see, now there are 3 1s. And then you add those up. Now that's 3 1s, so that is 3. So that your answer of 13 plus 19 is 32. Now, let's say, what if it is less than 10? Your answer for that first column. So if we have 15 plus 12 equals, I don't know. So first, we're going to go with our 5 plus 2. That equals 7. And then we are going to have our 1 plus 1, which is 2. So that is 27. As the whole number. The whole answer is 27 right there. to do one more to show you that this is always going to work, we're going to have one more problem. This is going to be a big one. If we have 43 plus 78. Alright. Let's see. So we have these two numbers right here. 8 plus 3. What does that equal? 8 plus 3 equals 11. Now, see that? That's more than 10. So we take that right digit right there. We bring it down right there. And then this other digit, we bring it all the way up right here. So now we have 1 plus 4, which is 5, plus 7, which is 12. Now, that is also more than 10, but there aren't any more numbers over to the left of the 4 and the 7. So what we just do, if that's the case, if there are no more numbers to the left of the numbers that you're adding, you just write the whole thing down here. So you put the 12 there, and there's already that other one there. So the answer to this problem is 121. That is it for today's video of More Complex Addition. Hope to see you guys later. Subscribe for more math stuff. See you later.